Before cities, before roads, before human memory, there was a forest, breathing, watching, waiting. Hidden in the southwest of Sri Lanka lies a place untouched by time, Sinharaja, the last living tropical rainforest of this island, and one of the most precious ecosystems on Earth. Sinharaja spreads across the wet lowlands of Sri Lanka, where rain falls gently, yet endlessly. Its name means the Kingdom of the Lion, a symbol of strength, protection, and ancient heritage. Covering more than 11,000 hectares, this forest is recognized by UNESCO, not for its beauty alone, but for its irreplaceable value to life itself. Sinharaja is not silent. It whispers through leaves, echoes through branches, and breathes through towering trees older than history. Some rise more than 45 meters into the sky, forming a roof so thick that sunlight struggles to enter. Over 60% of these trees exist nowhere else on Earth. If Sinharaja disappears, they disappear forever. This forest is alive, in ways unseen. Sinharaja shelters nearly all of Sri Lanka's endemic birds, colors moving like living jewels through the green. The Sri Lanka blue magpie, the red-faced malkoha, voices that belong only to this land. Deep within the shadows, purple-faced langurs leap between trees, giant squirrels glide through the air, and somewhere, silently, the leopard walks unseen. Every leaf hides life. Every sound tells a story. Sinharaja is the heart of water. From these ancient hills flow the Kalu, Gin, and Nilwala rivers, lifelines to millions of people. The forest drinks the rain, holds it, and releases it gently. Without Sinharaja, the land below would dry, crack, and fail. For centuries, humans lived beside Sinharaja, not as owners, but as guardians. They took only what was needed. They listened. They respected. Even ancient kings understood its power, declaring it a protected royal forest long before conservation had a name. But even ancient forests are not invincible. Logging, greed, and careless human footsteps once scarred this land. Today, the dangers are quieter. Climate change, over-tourism, disturbance. Threats that arrive not with axes, but with ignorance. Today, Sinharaja stands protected, guarded by law, studied by science, respected by those who understand its worth. Protection is not about fences. It is about awareness, because what we understand, we are more likely to save. Sinharaja is not just a forest, it is memory, it is balance, it is life, breathing in green. To protect Sinharaja is to protect the future, because once a rainforest is lost, it is lost forever. Stories like this are more than images. They are memories of our planet. If you believe these stories deserve to be told and protected, subscribe to The Core Story, because at the core of every story is life itself.